Hello, my dear children. Welcome to your EVS class. Children, can you guess what is this? Yes, it's a fruit basket. It has so many fruits in it. So children, today in our EVS class, we are going to name different types of fruits. We will do some exercises in our EVS workbook too. So let us begin. Children, open page number 66 in your EVS workbook. Here you can see so many fruits are given. Fruits. Mango. Children, do you remember? Mango is our natural fruit. Yes. Apple. We have also learned apples are green and yellow too. Banana. Strawberry. Watermelon. Watermelon is red from inside and green from outside, and it has some black seeds. Pineapple. Orange. Children, did you notice? Orange fruit is orange in color. Yes. Guava. Children, from inside, guava may be white or pink. Yes. Grapes. You might have seen, children, grapes are black and red too. Pear. Muskmelon. Pomegranate. Children, you have to pronounce the name of each fruit correctly and learn its name. Whenever you see these fruits, you have to say their name like this only. Alright? Now on the next page, page number 67, we have some exercises. Draw and color your favorite fruit. Which is your favorite fruit? Do you know my favorite fruit is watermelon? Yes, so here I am going to draw a watermelon. You have to draw your favorite fruit here. Okay, my favorite fruit is watermelon, so I am going to draw here a watermelon. Okay, and then I will color it. Similarly, you have to color the fruit. Now match the fruits with their halves. Children, if you see, when you eat fruits, your mama cut the fruits into half or into many pieces. See, a picture is given of the fruits which are cut in their halves. This is an apple. When we cut an apple, how does it look like? Yes, it looks like this. So we are going to match it. And how does a watermelon look like when we cut it in the half? Like this. So we are going to match it. So children, today we learned about fruits. We should all eat fruits daily. Fruits keeps us healthy and strong. So learn the names nicely. Complete your work. Complete the exercises and share your work with us. Wish you all the best. Happy learning.